Welcome back to the Inspils event. It looks like PIRS has been continuously breaking out with a ton of volume after getting their news this morning. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how this one broke out. Again, we did alert this one in the Inspils room this morning before market open. And again, we did have a 26% breakout since then. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how this one might break out going into tomorrow as well. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over PIRS with you guys here on the 4-hour and exactly what might happen going to tomorrow. But we want to make sure we are careful in this one, as this one was a news play. We did mention this one in the Inspils room, as they did mention their FDA news this morning. And I'm going to show you guys exactly where we did mention this one, so you guys can see exactly what the Inspils room does look like as well. You guys can see here that we did mention PIRS's news here on their FDA news. So you guys can see going towards the end of the day, we mentioned PIRS multiple times when they were breaking out. You guys can see we mentioned them and how they were pushing forward multiple times. You guys can see here that they're up 26% after the news that they had this morning. And again, we said that we were taking profits when we did have that major spike that was coming down. So again, breaking into that spike and breaking above it is very key. I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But again, you guys can see that PRS was continuing to push forward. And again, we have been on quite the breakout. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what's going to happen going into tomorrow. So you guys can see on the 4-hour, we have been holding the 20 MA above the 50, and we had our major spike coming into today after that news did come in, as the 20 MA did come up and we did bounce off the 20 MA. Again, going into tomorrow, you guys can see we have this major spike that we had at 509. So again, breaking over 509 is very key for us. If we do break over 509 and we could break above this candle wick, in my opinion, we could see a major breakout again, ending the day with 32 million volume and an average of 3 million. So we have a lot of volume that has been coming in. We're going to definitely be careful on PRS. I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're looking at here on the 5-minute. As you guys can see, again, we are consolidating. We're trying to break above this wick that we did have multiple times and got rejected at 456. So again, breaking over 456 and again, breaking over 509 is very key for us. Holding with the 20 MA above the 50 here on the 5-minute is very key. As you guys can see, we had this red candle come down. We are testing the 50 MA and we could see the 20 MA curling down here and possibly selling off. So we are going to be careful. If it does drop down, in my opinion, below $4, then I definitely would be taking profits. If you have not, in my opinion, this is not financial advice. This is what I'll be doing. But however, if this one does break out and does break over 509 with volume and giving us that confirmation above our previous volume points again, then that would be a great breakout in my opinion. But however, you guys can see on the buy pressure here that we do have a large amount of sell pressure that did come in. And however, we did get a lot of buy pressure today. But however, you guys can see we could see a continuation on sell pressure after we did get that increase in sell pressure. And again, we did not get too much of an increase in buy pressure. So again, we do like the EMA lines above the MACD, but however, if these EMA lines start to cross down below the MACD, then I definitely would be very, very careful at that point. But again, this was a news play, so that's why we're going to be careful on PRS. But I did want to show you guys exactly how we alerted this one and exactly what we do throughout the day. So you guys can see, again, we do alert penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day. Go in the description below if you guys want to see all of them. And again, I do appreciate everybody that has been supporting the channel, everybody that has been showing me love in the comment section. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.